Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into one of the best accessories for parents on the go, the ZZM Double Stroller Organizer. Specifically designed for Bob Dooley and Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 strollers. This organizer promises to elevate your strolling experience with its thoughtful design and practical features. The ZZM Double Stroller Organizer is not just any stroller accessory. It's a game-changer for parents who need to keep essentials close at hand while out with their little ones. Made from premium nylon with robust stitching and thoughtful padding, this organizer ensures durability and comfort. It fits perfectly on strollers with an interior length between 26 inches and 31 inches. Making it compatible with popular models like Bob Dooley and Baby Jogger City Mini GT2. Let's talk about what sets this organizer apart. It boasts 6 main storage compartments, including 2 insulated cooler pockets perfect for keeping bottles or snacks chilled. The design includes 3 non-slip fixed straps per side, ensuring stability and preventing unwanted shifting while you're on the move. Additionally, there are 2 cup holders that securely hold various cup sizes, adding to the convenience factor. For busy parents, having everything you need within reach is crucial. The ZZM organizer excels in providing ample storage space for essentials like diapers, wipes, toys, and your personal items such as keys and phone. The insulated compartments ensure that your baby's drinks stay cold, while the sturdy construction guarantees that the organizer stays firmly in place, even during brisk walks or jogs. Users rave about the practicality and convenience this organizer brings to their daily routines. The ease of installation and the secure fit on various stroller models have been highlighted as significant positives. Parents appreciate how it simplifies outings by keeping everything organized and accessible. When compared to similar products, the ZZM Double Stroller Organizer stands out due to its superior build quality, thoughtful design features, and positive user feedback. While some organizers may offer basic storage, ZZM goes the extra mile with its durable materials and functional layout. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable stroller organizer that ticks all the boxes: durability, functionality, and ease of use, the ZZM Double Stroller Organizer is a clear winner. It's designed to enhance your strolling experience by keeping your essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. Whether you're a parent of twins or siblings close in age, this organizer is a must-have companion for your outings. That wraps up our review of the ZZM Double Stroller Organizer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. If you have any questions or experiences with this product, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.